Hey people, I am here once again on my child-friendly YouTube channel, and I am here with my friend That Boy Kiwi. Go search him up on Roblox.
Yahoo!
Yeah, go friend him. I'm here playing a game called Monster Hunter. If you have an Xbox, do not search this up, because I don't think you can play on Xbox. Yay! I've got a really good axe, and I need to be heading up to this side, because I need to kill blue orcs. When you start off, you will never be able to kill blue orcs. I can two-shot them, because my axe does 5 damage, and they have 8 health.
Oh, man, take me by the hand.
Oh, baby! A triple.
Oh, baby, a triple.
Ocean Man, take me by the hand.
It sounds like
Oh,
the guy from
baby, a triple. Okay, guys, I am back to the video. I was just messing around with some stuff.
Yeah, girl.
Okay, it's been quite a while.
Balls.
This guy is gonna get wrecked in a minute. Kieran, don't say that. I am a child-friendly YouTube channel. Yeah, I am. Kieran, I am. Kieran, so if you say a word, I will I'll ban you from the house.
Why?
Because I will. Because, oh, baby, a tripuplo. Oh, this orc's by himself. Well, I'm gonna kill you. I'll put you out your misery.
Holy crap! Front flips! Front flips! Oh my god! Ethan! Oh my god! I'm doing front flips! Oh my god!
Oh, shit.
You just said a swear word!
Oh!
Don't tell me to shut up! Who
Guys,
are you?
sorry about that. Just don't say those words at home. Or your parents will, or your parents will kill you.
Yeah, your parents will probably kill you. That's what my parents.
When you're 18, okay, you can say them. Or maybe 16 or 12 or any age like that. When you're a teenager. But not when you're 7 or 8. By the way, I am 8, so I can't really be saying that. But I've been raised that way.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh! I was just about to say a word. How much? Oh, 25 Okikos. Pretty good, sir. Okay, now it's on to the yellow walk time. No, actually, I'm just gonna whack you up the bum. Slap you both with the axe. Slap, slap. I have changed. Guys, guess what? I've got to do a video on my birthday. Well, I couldn't really because I went to Liverpool for my birthday and I couldn't bring my computer. My mum wouldn't let me. So I brought my Nintendo Switch. Can't get YouTube on that. Yeah, so what I did is, you know me, doing stuff every day. I can
It's every day, bro. The Disney Channel vlog.
5 million YouTube views in 6 months. Never done before.
I just had to shout that out.
Yeah, I have had to spend a lot of time
It's
off
every
YouTube.
day, bro. The Disney Channel.
I've been having
It's
to
Disney
spend.
Channel.
Kieran,
Flow.
Kieran,
My
be
is dead
quiet.
Right.
Right,
I'm so lonely.
right. So I've had to spend a lot of time off of YouTube doing the things that I have to do. So the last time you saw me, I was 7. Now I'm 8. Well, the last time you heard from me, I should be saying.
hell do you get the wings?
What wings?
There we go.
Oh yeah, my friend Kieran here, he's playing Terra Tech. It costs 20 quid on the Xbox. It literally, you can pick. I pick creative, and because what it does is it lets you create anything you really want, doesn't it? Oh! Yeah. Have you got the propeller?
Yeah, it's in the front. You ready, Ethan? Even though I don't have a wing? Whee!
Can you fly it?
No, not really.
It can fly.
Sort of.
It can fly. It can fly. It can fly.
Your mom is
Flying in the sky.
What the hell is Fraser saying?
No, don't break your mom's thing. Vajuni, wah wah. Vajuni, wah wah wah. Looks like my computer's running it. Oh, God, a bit better. What? Oh my gosh. So I've just been playing this for a little while. I'm not gonna accept that. Okay, what's my next sword at? Well, not sword. 1,000. I'll save up for it. It's not too hard. I'll just go around slaying things. Daily business.
I feel like making a rocket, but it feels like I'm going to take a really long time on it.
And you practically have all the time you want.
Oh, Ethan, it is done! The thing is done!
I shall soon.
So I'll start flying. Can I get some guns on this bad boy?
Hey guys, I just want to say something. Oh yeah. Let me just see this. I just killed 3 in a row. Well, that was exciting. 3 in a row. Get my computer being very laggy.
Ethan,
Yeah.
you know how to swap side? Did I just make the wrong? I did.
God damn it!
Right, now I can move this thing.
Oh yeah,
Front flip.
backflip. Use your turbo boosters.
Something's missing.
More wings. More wings.
Isn't that?
I know. A bigger stick, Span. A bigger stick.
No, I'm guessing it's this.
What's that?
I actually don't know, but I'm just gonna put it at the sides.
Okay. Back to the game. Now let's see if it works. Yeah, there's our coins. $410 coins. Bon voyage! It's bah! You can't. Planes haven't been added yet. Hallelujah! 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 Yeah, 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 yeah! Hallelujah! Yeah, yeah, semua. Samusima, masima, mariwa. Hengo bisu.
Ethan, what the hell are you singing?
Hintivu. Ringkaswan. Thank you, Fraser. Just 10 more million tries. 5 more ones and then I'm just gonna come in here swinging my swing.
Ethan, look at this madness! Look at this madness!
Hallelujah.
Oh my
Yeah, so
God.
on this channel, I'm not really gonna be doing much. I can do like Terraria. I might do a video on Terraria tonight, maybe.
That Minecraft is about to die.
What's up? Oh, hello, Ellie.
Holy crap.
Ellie. Okay, this is my dog, Ellie. Get your head in the camera. Ellie, you think of it? Can poke your head in. Let us see you.
Where the hell is the cat?
Hello. Okay, that's Karen, my good friend. This is my good dog, Ellie. Ellie, get ready for 2 new kittens, you fat dog.
Well,
And she
isn't
just
that fat? Just to say.
Yeah, well, she was. I mean, she's been losing a few calories.
Oh my God, Ethan!
She was the size of a kangaroo a couple of seconds
Ethan,
ago.
look!
Yeah.
Oh!
It's the best thing ever! This is the best thing ever! Turbo boost it! Turbo boost it! Turbo boost is on my back. But turbo boosters everywhere!
Oh my God!
Activate the turbo boosters!
Come on!
Go, 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 go!
Go, go, Power Rangers!
Fuck me, please. Go, go, to me.
Dude, you just swore again!
Do not say that word. Kids. I'm sorry.
What
You
did
know
Trump
what?
say now?
I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna see one. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna have the blade. Right, I'm back. So I finally got it after around an hour's work. It took quite a long time. Yeah, if I can. So now I can defeat some yellow orcs. Okay, so I've got my headset and I have to plug it just for a minute.
Look.
Wait! I'm killing some yellow orcs. Teleport to market. I don't know why. Oh, sell please. Let me sell some monies. I'm earning monies very quickly now. It makes me move faster. It's a new way of traveling around.
Oh my God, Ethan!
Bon voyage, yeah?
Look at this!
Wait! Swing, swing.